Hey guys, we just left the High Knob Inn and we're going across the Hillsgrove covered bridge, yes?
Yes, the third bridge in Sullivan County. And we're going to stop and check it out further. Marge is squeaking with enjoyment. Nice. Hey guys, Paul?
And Ryan.
Boo Boo Paul. There is a beautiful covered bridge. We're in Hillsgrove, Pennsylvania, in Sullivan County. This is the third bridge in Sullivan County. There's the Sonestown, the Forksville, and the Hillsgrove still in existence. We're over at the... Where were we just at?
Oh, the High Knob Inn.
Yep. We had some good food and some brews. And we're going to go check this out. And we already did a drive. And it's really pretty inside. Let's go check it out.
Not a lover's bridge.
Nope. There is a notice. All persons are forbidden to ride, drive, or lead any animal over this bridge faster than a walk or a drive more than 15 head of cattle, horses, or mules thereon at vessel under a penalty if not less than at one time or carry fire, therefore except in a safe vessel under a penalty of not less than 30 cents for each offense.
There's a decimal.
Did you see the inflation sign though? It went
Littering.
from 30 cents to $300.
And that's for littering. You could take your cattle across.
Keep on rocking in the free world. All right, so here we go. Excuse my horrible reading.
There you go, Sadler Rogers.
Sadler Rogers, Sadler S. Rogers. There is the, was it the M.E. Rogers Post Office in Forksville as well?
Well, yeah, there's 3 out of 5 left.
Yes.
There you go.
And all the bridges in Sullivan County were raised in 1850 by the same man, Sadler S. Rogers. And a little bit down the road in LaPorte, Pennsylvania, Mr. Rogers from, of course, the famous TV show, he was born. That's where he grew up. And there you go. So the Rogers are a famous name.
Famous
In Sullivan County, Pennsylvania.
Family around here.
Yes. Beautiful. Let's get into the bridge. And of course, this is the Loyal Sock, I believe, that flows under here. Great swimming and fishing area.
The windows are fun.
I wonder how long this bridge is. It seems one of the very long.
This one doesn't say. They usually do have some information.
Yeah. There's some nice... Sometimes the carvings. We were in the Hassenplug covered bridge recently, and there was a marking by a Hassenplug from 1877 in the bridge carved, which is crazy.
There's some carvings, but this is well preserved.
It is well preserved. And here's the windows that overlook the creek. Do not have my selfie stick, unfortunately.
To see the little shiny of the water off
And if you can see already the signage out there, there's a sharp turn to the left as soon as you get out of the bridge. But if you're not driving any more than 15 head of cattle, you should be well aware of the turn. It goes down a little weir, a little dam or weir or something down there, and goes down. So that water's pretty deep right there under the bridge. Chickaboo, chickaboo, chickaboo. Oh. This is a Burr Arch Truss style bridge, as you can see, with the Burr Arch going through right there. There is it is 31 degrees today. It is not warm, even though we are not dressed as you can tell, but the breezes are a little bit crisp. It is beautifully sunny outside, though. All right. Linda and Rick, 7476. Of course, it is 1976. This pillar was made in 1968, the same year that Ricketts Glen State Park was founded, and the movie Night of the Living Dead was shot in Evans City, Pennsylvania. So there you go. It's just right there. 1968. 1968. Look at the ceiling. Beautiful. Look at the water sparkling along the bridge that you can go up from the sides when the sun hits it. Beautiful ghostly flames. Okay, guys, this has been Paul.
And Ryan.
Where have we been?
We're here at the Hillsgrove Covered Bridge. You just saw it all.
Sullivan County.
We walked through it.
Beautiful area.
Come see it yourself.
Absolutely. Come drive it, but remember, turn left.
Left.
Remember the left. And you'll be fine. Well, again, this has been Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors Couple.
Get outdoors.
Cheers.